Adom TV so Adom TV so between dwumadi so dia we can see won Empire sa Kenan no pen so ja me din Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie crutch back pe the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and the medicine kunyana me kono kwanten kono nsema do sa Kenan no pen so bi o Ghana agudie 8 jao chendo so mam se nwuma komiensa omna bom sika dweteme na no pe den komo no eba one expert. I've always told you that betting there is better than sakawa. We try to be for didn't before trying to come here didn't come as manum catch the bush and phone now for yere uma wo fase for none and mukum no plan food na say one expert and my boys nyamo financial freedom nano ada yedi bro nya no one expert new year one expert na fi Easter so one expert today over say we financial freedom there one expert na bet with money that you can afford to lose sika yere nya no eno ana yedi twa bet ope bet there manenya one expert mo twa fa dwene kakra 18 to ho Jeffers Mr. Drew infections Drew gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fetal na so di po na chewa won set me kan Jeffers Drew ebetia boa prapro ahra na mo bon mo etia di nchina che okọ herbal shops ne pharmaceutical shops ne ma also pe Jeffers Mr. eno ne adura e wo so ana afi sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel for a pampa so be pimo na se do ba ko etu ya odi ase no ye sedimo gel and roll on bomodin da okọ ahya ma me market ansa be kan bi tema so enye na se otu bi akoton ana se wo to na de ye ho no obetia from 020-821-9129 na on said more gel and rule on phone pay for yen twetwen komo yen hwemwa emaniema 2022 yefama o madama o mna teacher abomena no penso dia we can see un sempa en saka etimi ejao a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from the very first step yen chance yen fanfi under 23 African Cup of Nations twensa ba so Morocco na wrestling nema ezekwa na Morocco for Egypt for etwom 2-1 ewo final Kinsi Kesi twensa 2 dwenema wrestling na Shady City a na se nika ema Morocco for oma ne hostuye oma ne peja Frank Kanijina kunkon sadi kruwa no etwensa trauma kache hwe highlight ne kakra Ashanti region kuma se wodi wani twensa chim wrestling na nema esie kwa na je se the Ghana Football Association womo ede eye dwumadi friend said the ordinary section of the Congress na 18 certain times so na we the 29th edition baso Great Hall Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology na multimedia BPM da kan cluster yes na musifo na akopim a womo ede nkomo no 18 sa be na nyame adoma ye de hyehyɛ na sonko no ebetua seja Asempa 94.7 FM so nti ebekɔ na ye ne immortal Kwame Ejakwa Champon atimi atwa nkomo hwehwɛ no so ebisa sesen ana ne amasitie ewo kumasi nti yehwe se yensabetin aka Eric ewo line so a hello Eric.
Hello Prof.
Bibia ebokode
nyame adom wa de pachi ya ye gire na so na empomodin je de na sere manyankopon.
Okay, the 29th ordinary session of the Ghana Football Association Congress no mo wase mo ana more grounds saying na nema ACT so far.
Right Prof, ye be mo bia kwaba e de aba the capital city of the Ashanti region and next the igna ye hwani mo the 29th ordinary congress of the Ghana Football Association Okresen en share no akọ yabo atifo ni ahwefo mu fiti TDP mu kumase no ma niama akoyi an sale no kasai mijina the Great Hall bibia da din hosisi akoso ma so congress panasha se bomuni ade na meka ne se the India Ghana Football Association ye bo chikaka se the India mo bipie mu kumase mo che se ne kumase abibia no omo was support from Kodima national teams ahodo abaye ba na mra so say the DC koso a omotimi de bepi mu asantima mu a eno abepi mu ha na ye na ase sonko ena omo de faso de ada kumaseman sa bring na omo atai Ghana Football Association national teams ahodo no so echi sonko enti of Muzesi ne koso ye hwani mu sempani 43 wo mo emata in Ghana football and the sports abepi mu e wo dwumadi ase honorable sports minister Mustafa Yusuf Obabi and the distinguished personalities are Hobo Ashanti region in ba abepi mu hanamo. Now you bepi mu hano pay no I want to say Kromudie this will be an energy football and when you say Congress be air cost as for the football reports for the journalists in town and then they know say the cost on never hanamo. But ye were mu our KNUST campus and Kasana which must say atmosphere not say something is happening in the Great Hall. I have something to acquire all except Jane on our part so ya set here by the area yeah chess and the headquarters of Ghana Sports na finish no Adom TV go share bibia be course e bia de bebro ma home stage set bibia backdrop kama Ghana Football Association and yes any images na ba na say nche ba be do 29th ordinary session of Congress bibia the branding at some point asesem ko Ghana e bibia de nyema CC match say prof na empire na eja.
Okay. Obetia my line up no fa se na mudwumadi a mobedi no ho no na ebesi akọ.
Okay, me share line up na se na nebe.
Ti yahwe Eric Asiribodi e line so nyame adom na se yesa ekeka sim na sesi ani a yebesa ne etia santo nkomotwetwe no so ba hye no so mam se we the 29th ordinary session of the Ghana Football Association Congress and Ebasu Kumasi Great Hall Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology or multimedia the can cluster yakupi mo abodwa data hodma ye the live reports no and afi so se na Congress libesi akuna and when she say na 18 sen giant himself and our joining our sempa 94.7 FM so ye den komo no etimi esen jaw say kama but quickly me from an insanchire mu e wo chihye fufom dia enra cheetah cap we ekru akensi kese a we ne toss best menu a mpemfo editing time so na omaton study for 16 air countries na more air bag Ghana ha na mo de dwumedi ne etia be pempem so na Ghana edima kwetene pa Benin, Ivory Coast, Togo, Niger, Burkina Faso and Mali womina air compete over the second edition of the tournament and also air baso ewo air kaso ahye so no na ukuma na say young soccer tournament we hear senate response this year kwa manfo di akire no enya asem keto akra hwe say teams ahodo a omso Asia na face Europe ne South America womina ya say omunya ya ombetua saba na Bankrola Edema Cheetah Football Club ono ana wa institute search media friends Cheetah Club friends Abdul Hayati wodene nkomo kakra tuen say jemra womo so ede ehyehyɛ so ko tuen certain time so a womo de on et talent a womo so ebetia be pm e wosa cap yase
the 14th to the 20th of August to show us what they are actually made up of. I'm not going to give a long speech, emotional again, because this idea of actually coming up with a tournament of this nature also came from the prospects of the late Christian Achu. I struggled so hard to get his passports, his visas, to get him into Porto in Portugal. And then he represented FC Porto in the FIFA youth tournament in Zurich. And in that tournament, Christian came out as the best player of the tournament. So he actually emerged from that tournament to be a star. That is why we have the motto emerging star. We believe from what we actually saw Christian doing, we are actually going to get a lot of young talents who are going to emerge from this tournament to become stars. Again, I've actually seen so many tournaments in Africa and in Ghana. I've been invited, I'm a scout. I've been invited to so many tournaments. And then some of these tournaments, when you go, the standard is low, some are very high. And I decided to come up with this tournament to actually give Ghana the opportunity to be able to create a tournament that will bring other countries from Africa and even from around the world to Ghana to participate in a tournament. So this tournament is not for Cheetah Football Club, but this tournament is basically for the people of Ghana. And I will actually plead with every Ghanaian to help for us to make this tournament a great one. I have a motto, and the motto is the impossible is possible. I believe impossible is nothing. If you want to do anything, your mindset, if you believe that it is possible, you will do it. And we are going to design, we're going to build a world-class tournament in Cheetah Cup for the people of Ghana. I want to actually, first of all, congratulate every team that have made it to this draw. And then, as Madam said, let the best team won a 2023 edition of the Cheetah Cup. Yeah, that's
Cheetah Cup and we are the second edition. Abdul Hiyati and a Cheetah Football Club where founder bankroller and a owner and alternate council then a common 18 cent to Jamrana. One day balloting 18 certain times so there are 16 clubs are on the perspective our fee 2023 Budium. I mean, I don't maybe DH in Affair and Mabisia. But quickly, Yensan go back to the Great Hall. Eric Sidubody and my lineup of Senate program no ABC Alco. Hello, Eric.
Hello, Bob.
Yeah.
Aha, ain't Sanya and for my yan of course, yes, your program, yes, Bible, and your labor chassis, then roll call Acoso. After you see and for declaration that Congress has been convened and composed in compliance with the statutes. Soon as not just a football for Brofo, no. As I know, approve the agenda. Then the president comes to speak. President Ketias Okreku. Nothing so no appointment of members to check the minutes, of course, and no everbaso, nothing so no appointment of scrutineers and so on. And on the menu and the lineup no a suspension of a member, and we are waiting to see and also and very interesting approval of the minutes of the preceding Congress, and also an itinerary. So I feel so activity reports much said on continued activities since the last Congress by the General Secretary, no so Bekasa say now the Ghana Premier League Limited Implementation Committee so benya akwenya I am presentation there Congress. Nothing short on approval of GFA election nomination fees. Ayesika company for the two gases say over pick form. FSA operate akonya the Ghana Football Association operate the Ghana Football Association abetua company for the two yanko focus afa ho bebre no e patro and also yebeka ma say na sure say be do no and ye kakara ba as bebre na ye nyomo twetwe komo ye ne football people be din komo na bebre na raise eyebrow about company for then item 13 a presentation of the consolidated and revised balance sheets and profit and loss statement. Yes, and no, auditors and also be more hormonte. Ordinary say because so the and also approval of the work program and budget for the coming year. How say the coming year budget also and also Yabeka Home Assem. Nothing so about the revised budget for the 2023-2024 financial year. And we are from the 1st of July to the 30th of June 2024. And the July 1, 2023 to the 30th of June 2024. Now, I had a budget for the 2024-2025 financial year. And no, I shall say to July 1st, 2024 to June 30, 2025. And the whole United States, then the appointment of independent auditors upon the proposal of the Executive Council. Also, now the auditors now President Asamba Bekasa as the president's closing remarks, then the closing prayer. We on paper the essay also, and we know maybe the General Secretary, like I said, we know the man answer at the Minister for Youth and Sports, ne Kasa Ewo and Asner, so but of course, really the open paper so. Yes, himself when be so no. Na bibia atini akoso.
Okay. Oh, okay. Inti nese we ni hihya nyame adoma ene mu betime sadi so but Asempa FM Ultimate Sports Money Show no so e hyase ho sen no so mo kono.
Right, Prof. Sani abring na ye no na Ghana fonim say a ban of football any sports on semwa. Yeah, na yan fan kame Ghana for na headquarters or what. Na yan fan kame Ghana for na headquarters or what. This big program course na yan fan Ghana for so prof ya set up ya bibia ya bedu ha ya na radio station and TV station ya bedu ha kane enti ya bibia set up kire obi wembia say multimedia bedu Asempa FM bedu Adom FM bedu Adom TV bedu Insha FM so aba bedu. We are ready. Yeah, set up no so kama prof be na daw enti mrepamu no say ye pre machine tum na say mreso a ye ma Ghana for hu de ekoso wo KNUST the 29th ordinary session of Congress for the Ghana Football Association.
Okay, enti team members obi a ho ye de Eric.
Babedu Kuma, ya Badwam be able Bochida, Shebe, say Abedu Kuma, sent to me, and yes, a congress plenty nearby. Other things, in terms of sports, I will Kumasin and Potamuno, so ya Wigremu, a BB, 150 more. You didn't in so, but you congress, the proper congress, the next area, nothing so, yet the other things now, I walk in China, so in terms of football and sports, and so at the Abrasha 4 and your telephone now.
Okay. Other team members have been what Obetini Makasana, Etiomo.
Of course, the host of the Ultimate Sports Show, Mr. Andy could be maestro. I want to change as a Quambiaso or so, but to an Utuka Cranafe, Bibia, who are Pesubisano, so Bisanafi, Yakin. Nana, the prof said, we are receiving this one, Ultimus and the Abba Congress and Gasanga. Hey, Tia Robert, Baba, Aquaba Mijama, prof.
Wale. Hello, maestro. Hello, maestro.
Yes, sir.
Did you ever call here?
Yeah, well, as me too, count me again.
Ah, be able call here.
Yami Adom, Hanum Boko, ne Honswe.
Ah, you can tell me ha.
Be able to ha.
Let me say, am I ready for the battle? Boy, come on, I send a ground, says it here.
But well, Wale, no pay I already and said, Kumasi, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, the Great Hall, and the football people, the football teams, the football ecosystem, and Ebishia. Remember, sir, this is the 29th Ordinary Congress of the FA. You can't the Ordinary Congress at the Episode Kenyan say, Afibiano, or say football people, Ebishia, na umo etime eto adwene the league season no etime ashase. Remember, say last year, yade amo eshia ewo Ghana Man Soccer of Excellence but this year you know yade sonko kra and I'm say about to my same breum and football people no ashase omo kainti ene minim the football personal and we pmo ewo the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, a great hall now on my part of this great deliberations and football people no be na prophet me akacho say and dey no sonko kra with him say debia no ayana congress ye no pram but then they be the great hall said there empenfo atoto nioma and the venue say the city I think say man yes from Kupa and over great hall handma team say clubs me see team na say we premier division we division 1 we division 2 we feed the regional football association so me na no munkonya ready and the club be a sticker abuet into bana hwe bebia o sticker wa no abetena enye say bebia na betimi atena and hanso great hall na no ye wo esro hormo a che say adankofo beba no so betimi abetena hormo na bibia etimi ayekama earlier America mo hu agenda na and then penifo etena so no but beside the agenda no you sure say a lot of deliberations beba remember say before yeba congress nkobo bebri no yade a ekoso ma na amanfo eka about proposal of new fees eba amanfo gidi pa say also mo etimi etwe ho da rekọ akire ansa na congress gituma omu dia be hye ma bibia so etimi akoye any the other issues hormone na ade a man ye critical this particular year and say this year is an election year. What you say, and to a hen for near see a hen for, and then Umina Eba, a Congress there, but me sure say pocket of a year and common in a matri as to why and I will in soon be you, Matia, any moment that a month for Befast year, I campaign. If I don't remember the can't catch you say, yeah, the teaching common be brino. I say the beauty of the Congress and can yaba from because of and semana yedika attitude. But you know the beauty of the game and but I ready, I said, and Penifono, so I ready, and now Umaya said. But, Prof, interestingly, this particular Congress, me sure say, Ubi wo Ghana, pass or a football person, me sure say, Ubi our. Ubi or a football person be our harmon. Now, the dynamics and many etiani who pan say, hey, beer, this particular Congress, no, said the deliberation a bit different from others, no, and outside that, no. club owners omu di musika ye club na nkasa na ye imagine say sebe kanena ye Messi o so nkwa na eba na ebi ma you imagine say o ma etu anamo na nka o ma ba na edru questions aye bisa edru adwenkyira ye de kire e dia omu nyina ebe kire mi enti I say the usual CEO for the usual reps are eba no this particular congress no are taking a very different and interesting shape
okay maestro enti ye fancy na nyame adoma yentwa so e wa Sempa 94.7 FM so ntino obetime de achi e wa Sempa 94.7 FM so na fe social media handles ni na so na fe e de congress no komo etimi ejaw na o sena de ma esia comedian de prof Kewala Sagudi catch back penam gina mu e de of course evidence based presentation etimi ejaw one expert je fast mixture na fe sedimo gel and roll on o madama o mle techiri bo amena no penso e de o kensi Sempa en sakan etimi ejaw. The act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.